Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can build a stool or rake because I ordered online this stool. If I can show you. So this is the rake I want to build. You can see the photo here and then I will build. So here is my friends. They are just sitting. I will build for them because I'm currently in the China. So I'm trying my best to do this video. This is the stool I ordered online and then I want to put there as a rig. So how I can do the step-by-step guidelines, you can also see it's some simple instructions that we just follow and then made this stool by easy steps. So I will put a speedy video so you can just see the steps how you can build a stool or rake by helping this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. So friends, this one is the final look. This is the final look how I built. So as you can see, it's perfectly same as in the photo. So it take time, but it built a nice. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.